Hello everybody, we're going to be doing a beginner's lesson for strumming today using the song NATRUAL by Imagine Dragons. I'm going to post several little segments that go over what chords to play, where to put your fingers, as well as the strum patterns, and then me playing along with NATRUAL by Imagine Dragons at a slowed down tempo. I use the app, the Amazing Slowdowner, and I've slowed it down to 80% of the original tempo. I'm going to include some links in the description below to some Victor Wooten, a TED Talk, and another small talk by Victor Wooten. It's about 5 minutes long that goes over the language aspects of music. In this song, with NATRUAL by Imagine Dragons, we're going to be imitating the chorus. So it goes, "You're a natural, you da 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 da. You have to be so cold to take it in this world." I honestly don't know the lyrics that well, but I do know the strum pattern. So if you just get that idea of what he's singing down, you can do the strum pattern really easily. Okay, so it's super easy to imitate. If you watch those videos on Victor Wooten and language and music, you can see how closely associated our learning a language like English is to music, and a big part of that is imitation. We imitated our mom and dad to learn how to speak English or whatever our native language is when we were really young, and in this instance we're going to be imitating NATRUAL by Imagine Dragons just to get this rhythm down that imitates the chorus. Okay, y'all have fun. I will include my email in the link below too if you have any questions or want any tablature or sheet music for this. I'll be happy to send it to you. Have a great day. Alright, here's D minor, everybody. You have the first finger on the first fret on the first string, third finger on the third fret on the second string, and second finger on the second fret on the third string. That's a D minor. You can also put your pinky here where your third finger was if you'd like, if that's more comfortable. So again, you have your first finger on the first string, first fret, third finger, third fret, second string, second finger, second fret, third string. D minor. Or you can replace your third finger with your pinky. I actually like the pinky a little better. I think that feels better. But anyway, it's more comfortable for me. It might not be for you. Alright, for A7, we have the third finger, your ring finger, is going to go on the second fret of the second string, and your second finger, middle finger, is going to go on the second fret of the fourth string. Okay, and that's A7. Okay, so we have your third finger on the second fret of the second string, your second finger on the second fret of the fourth string, and there's A minor. I mean A is dominant 7, excuse me, not A minor. A dominant 7, all right, or A7. To get good at switching between these two chords, you simply switch as fast as you can. As fast as you can between the two, over and over, to gain speed so that you can actually play the song. Talk about the right hand stuff. We're going to mute, or just put your fingers over the strings like this, and you're going to strum and get kind of a percussive sound. And that's the strum pattern that we have for NATRUAL. It's really easy. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. You can also do down, up, down if you want. Down, up, down. And again, just use your thumb, cause that's the easiest thing to do for beginners. Just use your thumb. You can use a pick if you'd like. This is what it looks like if you use a pick. You'll use the pick, you go down, 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 down. And with the pick down, up, down, down, up, down. And on that upstroke, you're just catching the first few strings. You don't have to play all 6. Down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay? Or down, 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 down. Okay? Super easy. Here it is with natural. First D minor. Another D minor to A7. Good. Back to D minor. One more D minor to A7. One more A7. Back to D minor. D minor to A7. A7 again. Back to D minor. D minor to A7. A7 again. D minor. Again. A7. A7 again, D minor, D minor again, A7. Alright, there we go. Cool. So that's it. Playing simple strum pattern, imitating the chorus, and keeping that rhythm going all the way through the verse. The chorus rhythm with the guitar, of course. He's singing the verse. So that's not the rhythm he's singing, but we're playing it and it still sounds good, which makes it easy and fun. Okay, now we're going to strum natural with the drums. We're going to 2 times for D minor, 2 times for A7. All right, here we go. 1, 2,